Hi, I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. Now, we had JP Morgan Chase's earnings earlier, and we've got, unfortunately, a company that almost has to feel like it's playing second fiddle here to JP, even though they're a monster bank in and of themselves. Citigroup had earnings today. They're not bad. They're not great. There's a couple of numbers I don't really like, but there's a lot of stuff actually that I was surprised with. Some numbers in a couple of categories that are down kind of across the board in banking, where Citigroup seems to actually be making up some margin. So good for them. Maybe they've shifted some of their priorities, seeing this as an opportunity where a lot of people aren't doing anything because they don't think the focus should be there. I can tell you, if the market makes a turn, people are going to be at the trading desk making a lot of moves. So if the market ever turns off of this, and it will, obviously, off of this giant roller coaster high that we've been on, somebody's trading desk better be operating quite efficiently, because people are going to be coming in looking to move money around. EPS of $1.42 beat the street by 10 cents. Revenues of $18.17 billion beat the street by $270 million. That's up 2.3% year over year. Global consumer banking income is down 6%. Just consumer banking income. That's usually the stuff that stays relatively. It moves a few percent up almost all the time. It's, that just means there's less foot traffic in and out of the banks, less people making just regular banking transactions. Institutional client group income, though, was up 15%. So like I said, maybe there's a bit of a shift in what Citigroup is looking to do. Citigroup is moving in a couple of directions that are really driving up certain numbers into double digits. Investment banking revenue. Now, another one that I wasn't expecting to see up, or if it was up, not a whole lot for Citigroup, up 14%. That's some significant growth. That makes me think they're taking a pretty good amount of market share there. Advisory revenue was down 1%, and trading revenue down 16%. So like I said, while the trading desk isn't doing well, the investment banking isn't doing too bad, and institutional client group income is way up. So Citigroup is still finding a way to balance some stuff, but there's not enough consistency for me. And again, it's not a matter of them being a company that I wouldn't say to somebody you should look into. You should talk to your licensed professional financial advisor. That you definitely should do. But I find them to fall down the pack a little bit. Great company, well run, they put up stellar earnings calls all the time, but are they the top dog in this field? They're definitely not. They're definitely down a rung or two. So while Citigroup has a really good earnings call, Citigroup got net credit losses up 26%. That's not that great. I was kind of hoping I didn't have to dampen everything with that. But Citigroup still, good company. But when you got JP Morgan reporting today, and they reported decent earnings, and you got Bank of America and Wells Fargo tomorrow, PNC's coming up. There's a lot of banks out there that are doing really well because of how well the economy's doing in the United States. I would need Citigroup to do better than this before I would really say, hey, are you paying attention? You really should take a look at what Citigroup's doing as of right now. I would say, if it's an investment you're thinking about because of the work you've done and you don't want to listen to me, which is probably a good idea anyways, consult your licensed professional financial advisor, do your due diligence, make sure it fits into your portfolio, proper allocation, all that kind of stuff. You know what you're doing. You're a smart guy, girl. You're smart, whoever you are. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. Citigroup, beats on earnings, beats on revs, up and down. You take it how you want to take it. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, leave a thumbs up for this video, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the kickoff of the financial earnings season. Some of these companies, man, I'm telling you, I'm waiting for somebody to knock it out of the park. I got a feeling next week with Goldman we're going to get something, but I don't got a crystal ball or anything. That Goldman Sachs. I'm always quite tickled with Goldman. Anyways, you guys have a fantastic day.